quickly graphing quadratics. That's what this will be called. Okay, so what's my y prime?
2x minus 1.
2x minus, what'd you say? Remember my equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c.
Yeah.
Then y prime is equal to 2ax
Minus 20.
plus b minus 20. Good. All right, is it smiling or is it frowning?
Smiling.
Smiling. Okay? So, I know it's at, where? Oh, I don't know where it's at. So, how do I find out what the x really is?
Solve it.
Solve it. So, set x, or set y prime equal to what?
0.
0. Okay? It's really important. Because we're finding the slope, the zero slope of the equation. In this case, we're finding the minimum value. The minimum. Okay. Plus 20, 2x equals 20, x equals 10. Great. What's set tell me? What's x equals 10? What's another name for it?
The line of symmetry.
Line of symmetry. Okay? Line of symmetry. Good. So, I have this y, x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that there's a line of symmetry at 10, right? What else do I know? Not enough to graph it yet. So now what do I do with that 10? X is 10.
You plug it in.
Plug it into which one?
Original equation.
The original one. Good. Because if I plugged it into the derivative, I just get 0 again. And that's not telling me anything. So yeah, the original one, the green one. So I'm going to go y is equal to 10 squared minus 20 times 10 plus 25. So y is equal to 100 minus 200 plus 25. So y is equal to minus 100 plus 25. So y is equal to minus 75. Well, that certainly is a minimum. Right? Now, how am I going to graph that? Easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh. So minus 10, right? This might be 1, but we don't have to be the same on our scale, right? So, or I could bring this in and make this 10, but might not see it for what it is. Okay, so we have, where's our point of symmetry?
10, negative 75.
So 10 and negative 75. Okay, so at 10, negative 75 this is 8, so this would be 75, so about right here. And what's happening here? Is it opening up or opening down? Up. So we know we're coming up. Okay? But I don't know exactly where to. So, what's the easiest point to plug in? It's the easiest value to plug in to my equation. 0 for x. 0 for x. So, let's do it. Y equals 0 squared minus 20 times 0 plus 25. Y equals 25. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Okay, so now I graph it. If x is 0, y is 25. That's what that's telling me. So at x is 0, y is 25. So where is 25? And again, 10, 20, 30. Boom, 25. Okay, so I know I'm coming up. Boom. How far away am I from the line of symmetry? How far
10.
away is this point from the line of symmetry?
10 points.
10 points, see? Because I'm 10 points out. This was 10, right? This is 1, this is 5, this is 10. So we're 10 points out from the line of symmetry. That means 10 points away from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I should have another one at 25. Now I'm going to put it there, but I'm not going to draw an inlet until I do what?
Prove it.
Prove it. How do I prove it? Well, what is 10 plus 10?
20.
20. So I need to plug that in. Y equals 20 squared minus 20 times 20 plus 25. Wow, look at that. Looks a lot like the last problem, right? 20 squared is 400 minus 400 plus 25. So y equals 25. So again, I got 20 and 25 as my point. So again, I do have this point. This is the other half of my equation. And there I go. I have my parabola. Remember, this isn't a V down here. This does curve. It just...
It's easier to draw.
easier to draw. That was pretty fast.